Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn this picture into this. Let's start. So I'm starting with lowering overall exposure, and it will be easier to do this in black and white mode. So when I'm trying to do this with this initial exposure alignment is make sure that background is dark, but still the details are still visible. And a little white, maybe some clarity at this point. Okay, and next I'm going to show you a simple trick to extract this person, and that will create two layers of this picture. First will be brighter, and this will be this person standing on the stairs, and the background will be darker, so there will be natural two layers. So I'm selecting linear gradient. So I'm selecting linear gradient and trying to do something like this. And now I'm subtracting also linear gradient. I'm starting from here, just like this. And now I'm increasing the exposure of that, just like that. Adding whites, adding some highlights. As you see, where the person is going out of the picture, and doing some blacks and some clarity adjustments and some texture. Okay, now let's move back to global adjustments, removing black and white. So as you see, there is a huge difference already, but we'll improve this a little more. So let's do the slight adjustment of the saturation, some adjustment of the highlights, shadows, and create a mask that will be radial gradient, and the intention is to add something that is similar to vignette, like this. Okay, duplicate and invert. And now the outside we are going to get darker, and the inside will do slight adjustment to lighter color. Okay, some white correction. All right. That's it. We just only touch the exposure of the picture, slight adjustment of the saturation, and that's the result. Converting from this flat, overexposed picture into something that you have on the right-hand side, which is absolutely amazing. Thanks.